Okay, it's exam time. The last paper for CA Inter just got over. You've just come back from the law paper, and there are 4 stages before you go to the next paper. The first stage is evaluating overthinking about the last 2 papers. That is the first. The second is crying about what you could have done differently in the first 2 papers. The third is what to do now for the next paper, which is tax. And the fourth part is where I come in. I tell you how to prepare for this paper next. Start with GST. I'm recording this video. It's a series of 3 videos where I'll tell you exactly how to prepare or what to prepare for your paper. Let's start with GST. Start with GST. The first thing you need to pick up is ITC and payment chapter because that's question number 1. Do chapter registration because that's an important chapter. Place of supply is the next important chapter. Tax invoice is the next important chapter. Value and time of supply is the next to these 5 chapters first. We're still at GST preparation. This is video number 2. While you're doing those 5 chapters, after every chapter, pick up 2 exemptions. Example, you finish ITC and payment chapter, do healthcare services and let's say passenger transport service exemption. So pick up in parts so that you don't have to do all the exemptions at one go. You don't have the time nor the patience today to practice any questions, so just keep reading the questions. Look at the top 30 sections of GST which I have uploaded on the drive. I'll also put a link to this so you can access the top 30 questions, and also you can look at the ABC analysis. Today's day and tomorrow's half a day or a little less than half a day should be spent doing GST because that's how you will also start your paper. When you start your paper, you will first start with GST, not MCQs. You'll do the theory practical questions first and then you will move to MCQs. Also MCQs, if they are too detailed, avoid it, come back to them later. Do the simple MCQs first. Alright, so while I'm recording this video today, this video will be helpful to you tomorrow after your GST preparation. Start looking at the direct tax ocean, that is the direct tax portion next after GST. Again, here also you will first pick up the important questions or the important chapters. A very small cute chapter, return of income, is something that always comes in. Pick up that first. Residential status and scope of income is another important chapter. Pick up that first. Deductions under chapter 6A is the next important chapter. Pick up that next. TDS, TCS is the next chapter, and then comes PGBP. Do these 5 chapters really well. Then look at capital gains, then look at IFOS. Salaries is something that you should do last. Don't focus on retirement benefits today. Anyways, you'll not be able to figure out till you retire. I think that will go on and on. So focus on the important chapters. Watch the top 50 sections on the drive link, which I'm attaching here. And then also look at DT. First question you will do last in the exam. All the best.